It is recommended that you periodically clean the machine to prevent loss of print quality and enable you to use the machine comfortably and safely. If any of the following problems occur when the document is scanned from the feeder or from the platen, then perform the following cleaning. The document cannot be scanned clearly. The size of the document cannot be detected correctly. The document gets dirty during scanning. Paper jam frequently occurs in the feeder. First, turn off the machine and unplug it from the wall. Open the feeder cover. Using a well-wrung damp cloth, clean the rollers inside the feeder. Open the feeder. Wipe the platen glass and the document feed scanning area on the side of the platen glass. Wait until the moisture has completely dried before proceeding to the next step. Close the covers, connect the machine back to the power and power on. If streaks still appear on the originals or paper after the feeder cleaning, load about 10 sheets of A4 paper into the feeder and then perform the following procedure. Select Settings Registration, Adjustments Maintenance, Maintenance, Clean Feeder. Periodically wipe the surface of the machine in order to keep it clean. First, turn off the machine and unplug the power from the wall. With a well-wrung damp cloth, wipe the machine. Wait until the moisture has completely dried before proceeding. Connect the machine back to the power and power on. This concludes this video.